Hello everybody. Advances in cognitive science research is the topic of this lecture. Cognitive science these days is considered as an emerging research area which is derived from medical image processing and its related research areas. Cognitive science actually is an interdisciplinary research area which includes many major research domains, which include psychology, philosophy, linguistics, anthropology, neuroscience, artificial intelligence. We all understand very well that in all these domains, see, what has been highlighted in the center is human brain interfaced with a computer. So in all these research areas, which are constituting a common domain called as cognitive science research, and that common entity is human brain. As we know that brain consists of billions of neurons. They are all structured in layers forming a neural network where there are smaller groups of neurons which always release some energy, some electrical excitation whenever brain is engaged in some activities. So the brain signal modalities are common. EEG is the most commonly used brain signal modality in this research. And in this particular lecture, we will be highlighting about the different advances in the cognitive science research area and the specific applications where the cognitive science research has been applied. As I told you that psychology, we know that psychology deals with mind and behavior. So a study of human mind, behavior, whether it is normal behavior or abnormal behavior, philosophy, which deals with knowledge, reality and existence. So how a human being develops knowledge, acquires knowledge, interprets the knowledge will be dealt with in this area called as cognitive science research. Linguistics, to understand language, to interpret language, to translate language, the abilities to understand and interpret language, different languages is also the part of cognitive science study. Anthropology, which is study of culture and society, we human being do respect different diversity in terms of culture and society. So that understanding is there in human brain. How does it understand? How does it interpret? Next one is the neuroscience, which is actually study of nervous system. When we talk about nervous system, in nervous system, is there any brain disorder? Is there any stress that needs to be analyzed? What are the factors which are causing stress and brain disorder, brain abnormalities in the human brain? Are all the the components of research in the neuroscience area. And as far as the artificial intelligence is concerned, that's a wonderful tool, that's a wonderful technology that deals with all these major domains in order to interpret, in order to classify different images and to develop a framework that gives us better understanding and analysis of these brain signals, and accordingly we can also analyze, is there any brain disorder, is there any stress, what is cognitive ability of human brain. So what we can say in cognitive science research, that the abilities of human brain are exploited. The abilities of human brain are exploited by using suitable technology called as artificial intelligence that deals with implementation of appropriate machine learning and also various signal processing tools to simplify the understanding, to simplify the interpretation of brain signal in the cognitive science research. This research is very useful in a number of applications, specifically in robotics, in driverless car, in entertainment industry, wherever the human brain is imitated, the human brain analysis is used. In all those areas, cognitive science research plays a significant role. And therefore, this topic will be attempting to address the major advances in the cognitive science area which have utilized the different AI machine learning methods and have addressed different research avenues and problems of these domains, namely psychology, philosophy, linguistics, anthropology, and neuroscience. Thank you.